Good day, everybody. Brian here. Today is December 26th. I'm going to show you three versions of a JavaScript front end, all packaged in a nice, convenient HTML file. Also, it really focuses on volatility surfaces along with um, potentially live streamed data for options with the option chain data and whatnot. I'm going to show you three versions. So let me get to the proper screen here, and here we go. Okay, so we are in our little WSL. This is the first version. This was generated via um, Gemini 3, which is pretty good. I mean, Gemini 3 is, I will say, is a lot better than anything coming out of ChatGPT or OpenAI. I just find OpenAI is very expensive and whatever. But you can see here, this will measure the market regime based upon volatility. It updates every 10 seconds. And again, I could specify that in the prompting. Also on top of that, I have a price here as well. It's random, as I said before. So that's the first version. So the other version I'm going to show you is um, actually open, uh, sorry, Claude, Opus 4.1, I believe. It's 4.1. So this version's the same exact prompt, and I'm just going to show you the difference between Claude and you can see here just a little more detailed. Um, I believe looks like, yeah, I can somewhat control. I'm not sure if I can control the axis here in 3D. As I said, this is a volatility surface, so it's similar, a little more detailed. We could speed it up now. There's all that, and it's a little more sophisticated, I find. Just same prompting between Gemini 3 and just an older version of Opus or Claude 4.1. All right, so that is Claude 4.1. So the other version here is we've got the latest version, current. Um, this is 4.5 Opus, and you'll see the difference here. Now I've also added in the metrics for popular portfolio metrics. So you can see here, we've got quite a bit. And again, this is just all random data here. So what we got here is we've got the day change, we've got market regime, which we've seen before, and the volatility. We got the actual VIX level. Um, we've got the data rate, which we can sort of speed up a little bit. But we got more than that. We got our delta uh, data. This is all options now again. So then we have our Vega um, along with implied volatility and our win ratio if there was an actual strategy in this as well. So that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing that's very sophisticated here that's going to help out as a front dashboard, these can be created in 10 minutes. There's no hand coding involved to do this. So here, as I said, with a portfolio, we have 100,000. We can see the margin, if there is margin used, our buying power, and this would be randomly set up, obviously, but this can be set up through your futures broker. We have our Greek exposure as well. That you can learn from my course, that futures and options that I've got. This is all the advanced HFT, high frequency trading level stuff. And then here we have the risk as well. Portfolio um, on the beta, the VAR, value at risk, maximum drawdown over this time period since we may be running it. We also have here our Sharpe ratio, and then we also have our put and calls coming in live. I could probably add in a depth, depth of market with bid and ask spread somewhere in this panel as well. But this is just a standard laptop. There's no GPU, nothing on this. So just wanted to showcase that to people. The other thing is I want to make sure if you are interested in this sort of thing, we are getting more expensive, obviously, because of some of the capabilities that we are able to put together here. If you go to our site, quantlabsnet.com, and you go under our either one of two areas, um, you can go into the Learn tab and get yourself a free ebook that I put together for understanding how high frequency trading shops use HFT for their infrastructure. So that's freely available. We also have a trial as well for 45 days as well, if you're interested in that. That's for our quant analytics as well. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.